The sixth-generation Subaru Forester, unveiled at the LA Auto Show in November 2023, presents a thoroughly updated body that caters to the expectations of all riders in both everyday and extraordinary situations. Evolving on the Subaru global platform with a full inner frame structure, it incorporates a redesigned control for the active torque AWD, achieving a harmonious blend of reassuring driving and pleasant steering feel. The adoption of a two-pinion electric power steering system realizes a linear steering feel, while a monocular camera capable of identifying bicycles and pedestrians enhances the EyeSight feature to achieve its highest performance in history. The model also features a driver abnormality response system that automatically stops the vehicle if the driver's condition undergoes a sudden change, ensuring safety. Debuting at the LA show with a focus on cargo space, the rear pillar with reduced slope and black adornments contributes to a modern rear styling. The current fifth-generation Forester, available in Japan since 2018, sees its successor after 5 years, answering the call for a new model. The sixth-generation Forester boasts a full inner frame platform, increased structural adhesive application, and improved suspension mount rigidity, resulting in a significantly enhanced dynamic sensation. Equipped with a 2.5L flat-4 engine generating 180 HP/24.6 kgm, the LA show model may differ from the Japanese specifications, where the 2.0L E-Boxer, evolved version, is expected to play a prominent role. The EyeSight system evolves with a single camera setup, expanding pre-collision braking capabilities, achieving its best-ever performance. The new Forester, featuring a fresh impression with a redesigned front grille, is anticipated to be released in Japan in spring 2024.